Okay, hi, I'm Kelly McCullum, co-founder of Yellowscope. We make science kits for curious and creative girls. Our company is based in Portland, Oregon, and founded by two scientists and moms, myself, Kelly McCullum, and my business partner, Marcy College. We started Yellowscope because we think girls deserve better in the toy aisle. Sadly, many girls feel like science is not for them. They think it's more of a boy thing. This message is reinforced in the toy aisle, where physics and chemistry kits are marketed to boys and usually housed in the boy section of the toy store. And science kits for girls are oftentimes beauty products like make a lip balm or make some sort of perfume, and they don't always necessarily even contain science in them. So we wanted to create Yellowscope to change this, to create a line of science kits that are beautiful and exciting and engaging, and that take girls seriously, and that respect their curious and their creative selves. So we've designed our first three products. We have our foundation chemistry kit, our acids, bases, and pH kit, and our newest paper chromatography kit. Our kits are award-winning. We've won a Parents' Choice Gold Award, finalist for Toy of the Year, and we've won a few Dr. Toy Awards. We're really excited to be developing this line of kits that will, down the road, keep growing and expanding as we can build new products. So we're having a really fun time at the Expo. We're having a chance to meet all these great bloggers and reporters and journalists who are, in our opinion, choosing really good products for families. So there's an array of cool things for parents to pick for their kids for Christmas or for the holidays. I love that these bloggers and these influencers are getting a chance to know our products more intimately so they can make recommendations based on what they think their audience wants.